right, let's talk text boxes. I think text boxes are fantastic because they're a great way to give other information that's a little bit more qualitative than quantitative. So text box is very easy. Let's say we have a card, we open it up, we go to Edit and Analyzer. Under chart types on the top right, we have popular charts. And here you can go straight to text boxes if you want to, or you can click it again, go to tables and text boxes, and it's right there again under text boxes. Now, it is not that you can write whatever you want in here. It would be better like, here's the name of something, here's the country, the state, status of something. That's what this is for, where it is an actual value. Now, this is really easy to pull off. You just take whatever you're looking for and you put it into 4 places: text, sorting, optional value. This is to group it in case there are like a lot of numbers so we don't show it multiple times, and filters. And this is really if there's a blank and you just don't want it to show. Now, what if you do want to put something in there? Well, you totally can. I'm going to go to create calculated field. And here I can say something like text box. Oops. And how you're going to write this, if you want to write something, you're going to put a single quote. And now you can write whatever you want. My name is John Lee. Cool. Close that sucker and create calculated field. Now, with that new field that I just made, I can throw that into my values. There you go. That's how we can do text boxes. So what I will use this for is I'll use this for if somebody filters something, I'll have a text box show, tell me my client's state that they're in, tell me the status of a specific ticket, stuff like that. That's where you really want to put it. It's not so much for aggregating numbers. That's a different one. If you want to do something like that, show me the number or something. You want to do single value, which under popular charts. But you have some more qualitative data stuff, that's where text boxes goes. All right, that's a very fast intro on how to use text boxes. Hey, and if you thought that was cool, I got a surprise for you. So if you don't know what I do, I teach people how to get very, very good at Domo, and I have an online course. So if you go to dashboarddudes.com, you can get a trial of my course. And here I have a specific course called 201, where I go over all the ETL functions and all the chart types, just like what we just talked about. And this way you can see how I do it. You can practice. The whole point of the course is they're made of 5-10-minute videos, little bite-sized chunks. So you could watch me and do it during break, before work, after work. You can binge it. You could do whatever you want. But the method is you watch me do it, then you do it. And we're going to go back and forth like that. And that's how you're going to learn. You get your hands dirty. Hands-on experience is the Dashboard Dudes method. In addition to this course, you get access to actually all of my other courses. That means you get Domo 101, 201, 301, 401, bricks, data science stuff, App Studio, distribution, whatnot. You also get 30 minutes with me free every single month, where you can ask me a question if you want to. And you get access to my video FAQ. So if you have a question about how to do something, chances are I might have made a video on how to answer already. You have access to that. And you get my emails that only come in once a month. I'm just showing you the latest and greatest with Domo or Data World. And it's just to keep you up to date. Cool. Give it a shot. Check out the trial, and I hope it helps you.